Meanwhile, we are about GC News, hot news all time, latest hot news. And I'm the Bremo. Kennedy Agyapong, our partner Bawumia, campaign the Homes and Sammy, Omanhene, Kwabena Agyapong, Sasu and MPP, one running between Sammy, Napohons and 1 day summer together. Now it's a big and some women. Let's just say, so we are subscriber, I'm subscriber. We are going to say over the subscribe button. Now, what barely notification. We are new video beyond also once ever can. I feel we are not like video. Give us a thumbs up. Now, share my offer for sooner. We may be now. Afriyie Mbura here and Sammy. Omanhene Asante Kennedy Agyapong. Our day Bawumia Kutina platform so at a Kennedy Agyapong. And when I am Sammy, Omanhene Eddie and Sammy Atta. Sasuna MPP one running mate Homes and Sammy. The other partner Bawumia and Unakoye Sebibri, and one day Napo and Honsem Atuga. Yes, Emrano, the Murum, the tea and Semaye, Omanhene, Kwabena Asante, Atuga, Fire, Kennedy, Napo Honsem, Iti and Sema Air Coso, Itio.
A belated one to my very good friend, Nimnyam for Kennedy Agyapong Japan, and also on the 16th, and also celebrating a birthday. So, Robert Kennedy Agyapong Japan said they come, for lack of a better word, they come back to okay, so they come back to the front line of the MPP, you know, and there are a lot of issues about up. Oh, sure. Minister, from where you sit, you can analyze quickly before we get into the other matters.
Oh, sir. Kennedy is a pillar within the MPP.
Yeah.
And MPP funds to TNSM.
Okay.
And presidential primary is now so one perform badly. First attempt, say President Eddie or MPP ticket, so he did so well. And you know, or train on a yanko for ye there or wadofo, or train on a yanko for de. But Sisia Wababe can MPP for no was a bemubium. What they what you to say campaign or bebuano. The cheetah folding in also are coming on board. And election is about numbers. And you know, Omua baby patri and
but there seems to be a bit of challenge about the cheetah for be or more commentary no more running that maybe he cannot on his own just say na even though he said that it is the party first. It's not about Bawumia, it's not about Kennedy Agyapong. It's the party first. It's you are forced to be part of the party.
Of course. That's first and foremost. Now we are party ni. Entina unya kwandi ne china delegates omu kasasa omu kana be boom. Kebibini akaye shiana kaye nyina ye toto. You know, but decision will have to be made. But I'm sure say obeti na asupem at the right time every constituency biano or when the coordinators were. I think it is very important to say Onumbishia Nai or Mabuano.
But would you say a key say or part of the campaign of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia?
Yes.
Strategically, what do you prescribe for him?
One, you see, he is an important stakeholder within the MPP. And of course, second term, a party to me set in for the ruling party. And if Obiri say Kennedy, wakako pray that say ya open mampenia ye no obechitai for enti so kasem kire omo ombeti omutie omo so mo de omo hoden ni omo numbers no omo dodo ma betai kire.
He still has that control.
Sure.
Or that power no.
E dey no mo wonu ntia omo to aba no ma no. It's very important. I'm telling you. He's not alone. Yes on nkwa no. Politics is a dey no ka kire omo di nachi. No mo di nachi no. No more will show me or custom chromo umbeti. So it's very, very important. Politics there. It's about numbers.
So how does he warm himself into the mainstream line politics now?
They'll give me a role to play. For me, Mimi won't say all that he needs to do. Say Omomo MPP. Na Omaboto. And I cry for and he needs to go and talk to them.
Honestly, or leading that advocacy.
Sure. Also, Kokumase no. On this one before Kokasa also ginger omo man fans. So not just say a Kenya omo. So yeni panukura no what die and was answer baby. And we need nechi. Okasa chomo beti. Yeah, in case politics there be every vote matters, especially this crucial election.
Every vote.
Every vote.
So it's not a question of
Abani ya 2 year. Ya kanya. Ya chedi wedding kunim. Edi na ma ye nwuso wedding kunim. Enye ni nsam wa keka vote awenya. Madudu awenya no. Bro biya de other competing candidates so. And then na ema odin kudim. In politics in 2008, who can be says here? The same thing. Alan me enje benya no moko monko. And then I go by. If anybody buy second round, now it's too late. Yes.
So his camp brings out a statement that the since Central Member of Parliament, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, has called on all members of the New Patriotic Party who supported his presidential bid in the 2023 presidential primaries of the party to come together and throw their weight behind the flag bearer, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, in order to help the MPP secure a third term run in office. According to Honorable Agyapong, many of the party supporters had approached him to contest the 2024 presidential elections as independent candidates. However, without mentioning words, the Asante Central Legislature told the people who had gathered for his birthday party that he had not resigned from the party. Neither would he go as independent candidate. He used the occasion to apologize for not informing his supporters across the 16 regions in Ghana, citing true party membership as one of his reasons. And he continues, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong made it unequivocally clear that after party primaries, there are no supporters for the individual contestants, but if any supporters at all, they are for the entirety of the party and the flag bearer. He asked the people gathered to support the party and Dr. Bawumia in the best interest of all party members.
Exactly. Once asem no wakano, as I say, odi hunduma. And yes, sir, with the press statement about your kind of media, so as I saw touchy base, no every constituency. Every constituency, as I say, oko ka oni flag bearer and crack up. We do one a friend and call for no makasa. No mamo, no shomdi. No Kenya.
Still all that influence and power.
Of course. Kennedy or numbers. Remember, say he has been an MP for long. Into our influence. Onko for omujinidi. Onko for omutienasem. Onko for oka omasem maomo. Into sanko for no. So no okom hono no mukasa umbeti. Now or the press statement about necessary or they osie yo no touch base no no mudin komo. Na afi o Kenya omo support omo party. That's what should happen.
Okay, so because we do pair the National Security BNI NIB report on the running mate matter and the areas and the targeted people. Now the breakdown is this. Okay. Constituency executives. Matthew Poku Prempe 36.20%.
Okay.
Yao Osei Educhum 4.09%. These are your preferred running mates. Running mate to partner Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. And this is a national security document and a BNI document. So Matthew Poku Prempe, when it comes to the constituency executives, it's 36.20%. When it comes to constituency executive, Yao Osei Educhum is 4.09%. Osei Che Mensa Bonsu is 1.08%. Fremopai 0.96%.
Yeah.
Joe Owusu 0.84%. And the other is 1.88%. And then when it comes to electoral area coordinators.
Yes, or more constituency.
Matthew Opoku Prempe 3.52%. Yao Osei Educhum 0.49%. Osei Che Mensa Bonsu 0.20%. Frema Opare 0.10%. Joe Osei Owusu 0.120%. When it comes to electoral area coordinator, Matthew Opoku Prempe 3.52%. Yao Osei Educhum 0.449. Or say the others are founding member Council of Elders.
Decision makers.
Matthew Opoku Prempeh 1.64%. Ya Osei Aduchum 0.29%. Osei Chairman Sabusu and the others. It's really nothing true. NDC, MMDC MPs. Matthew Opoku Prempeh 1.95%. Ya Osei Aduchum 0.25%, and the other 0.8, 0.4, 0.4. National Executive. We have Matthew Opoku Prempeh 0.02%. All the others 0.00%. And then we have the polling station executive.
Yes.
Matthew Opoku Prempeh 32.60%. And then Yao Osei Aduchum 5%.
Yes.
Regional executive Matthew Opoku Prempeh 0.33%. Aduchum 0.04%. And the others they follow. Grand total of the percentages. These are the targeted ones from here. Matthew Opoku Prempeh 76.27%.
27%, yes.
Osei Aduchum 10.16%.
Yes. One say it means this polls one HRSA.
And this is a special report on MPP running mates.
Okay.
15th June 2024.
Very, very current. Last week,
National Intelligence Bureau.
Last week, Yes. One say, and I can say Ube running mate, the acceptability. Party for pair this polls. Only more a 2 ahine for the see ahine for more party. 76.27% say. Napo MA running mate is undisputed. That is their verdict. So for them, they believe that say Omade Nebeka Hua or Omade Nebeka a partner Dr. Bawumia Ebebua. Into cross board, Omanhene Chomadina, Usha post 32%. Polling station executives, or that a human woo, any head office, any region offices, a form. Number leg work, number we few. Number Bonko 4 pound. Aquacoya campaign the sum amount. It is a majority of them. 52% are saying that Yanfanimra. Now, obey a Jumanamano. A simple mom. Because somebody reanimator, you can't be everywhere. You can't go to all the 38,000 polling stations. You can't be there. But 32% of polling station executives say, so for me, based on this report, I can confidently say that the people of the officers of the MPP have spoken.
But with your experience in our body politics, they be under the choice of running mates, would you be shocked if it is somebody outside what maybe the preferred executives are talking about?
So then, events are not post no more. Naturally, say, because this Ghana is the whole world. It's a data and research and a deco. Presumptions, science and data, and editing to mine. And it's a more polls. Normally, the results number. They are actually there. And then as I saw here, Juma, NDC may running mate. Almost contract a PR firm, a research team outside Ghana. And on a similar thing. And the zero in Nana. That is why they chose Professor Boakye Agyapong.
So in the case of the NDC,
they did it.
They did that.
And they've said it. Some outside Ghana, and I'm fire a research team, and the results. So Nana is still popular in Ghana, especially among the NDC. In the Mufanenko. My way, with the NM Council, MPP, they are in power. So they have access to national security people to do polls for them. Omayamo. In this auto training, now Ukofa be before Friday. What informed your decision? Presumptions. And now the until you say if they did not sanction it, that is a different case.
Okay. I was in the
you waiting for waiting and some year Omanhene Kwabena Asante edit to the fire Kennedy Agyapong our neighbor platform to your campaigns also and a MPP one a year running between Sensei a year na Pohun Semso and a 1 day up to down. The guy was a GCB so and our hero so we now subscribe ya. Let's just say over subscribe no like it now watch a video no more for so a maybe now what also betting a chair what name after a year and some way now I will comment box me. Mobeti in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.